Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best budget PC case. If you want style, cooling, and smart features without overspending, this one might surprise you. Let's get started. Product features. Impressive airflow and cooling. With three 120mm RGB fans behind the mesh front, the Talos E3 mesh keeps your parts cool under load and ensures reliable performance even during heavy use. Panoramic tempered glass side panel. The tempered glass side gives you a full view of your components and cable work, letting you show off a clean build while keeping everything protected from dust. Snowy white exterior design. Its crisp white finish brings a modern, fresh vibe to your setup. It stands out without being over the top, perfect for clean, minimalist builds or bold contrasts. RGB lighting sync. It supports motherboard RGB synchronization. With one click, your system lighting can flow across fans and components in perfect harmony. Clean PSU shroud design. The hidden PSU cover hides messy cables, promotes airflow, and gives your interior a sleek, uncluttered look that's pleasing to work on and look at. Compact yet roomy. Though it's a mid-tower size, the Talos E3 mesh supports many hardware layouts and extra cooling options, ideal for builders who want flexibility and expansion. Pros: strong airflow with included RGB fans. Elegant tempered glass side panel. Stylish white finish for modern looks. Lighting sync gives unified aesthetics. Cable hiding PSU shroud keeps builds clean. Supports diverse component layouts. Cons: white finish may show dust or fingerprints. RGB connectors require compatible motherboard. Airflow might require extra intake if heavily loaded. Final thoughts. The Talos E3 mesh delivers excellent value. It blends cooling, aesthetics, and smart design in a budget package. If you want to build a PC that performs and looks great without spending a fortune, this case is a strong contender. It's made for creators, gamers, and builders who care about both form and function. Don't miss this deal. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more top picks and fresh tech insights.